Hey, this is Cliff Campbell with StellaLife. We are here today at Texoma Dentures and Implants in Sherman, Texas. And we have an employee here with us. Why don't you introduce yourself and what you do here?
My name is Macy. I'm a registered dental assistant here at Texoma Dentures and Implants.
Awesome. So what has your experience with StellaLife been like so far?
So we used to use chlorhexidine. We would prescribe that to all of our patients. We do, 3, 4, and 5 surgeries a day here. And, we were prescribing Paradex and, complaints of it being harsh and, you can't overuse it and, all this stuff. And then since switching to StellaLife, I myself have even noticed a difference. We see the patients the next day, usually for a post-op appointment, and it's very interesting to look at their tissue and see, it looks like it's been 4 and 5 days since the procedure. It really has made a big difference.
Awesome. Great answer. So what have your patients been saying about StellaLife?
They love it. We give every person that has surgery here a bottle before their procedure. We have people that come back and request more. They love the taste of it. They love that it's all natural. Doesn't have any harsh chemicals and stuff. That was a big complaint with the chlorhexidine. So people really love it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your
Yeah,
time. We
of
really
course.
appreciate it.